Good day, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another episode of our math clinic, math theater. My name is Jimohlukmon, and today we will continue from the last class that we said simultaneous equation. We have done substituted method. That is, you take from 1, you get your 3, then you put it in 2. Or you take from 2, you get your 3, then you put it in 1. Is it clear? So that is just the formula for substitution reaction. While for elimination reaction, elimination method, sorry for saying reaction in chemistry. Elimination method is that elimination means, from the word eliminate, you remove one so that you can be able to solve the other one very well. Eliminate, you eliminate one. So here, this is the question: x plus y equals to 3, x minus y equals to 1. The first thing you look for is their coefficient. If they have the same coefficient, good. This one has the same coefficient. The coefficient of x here is what? 1. The coefficient of x here is what? 1. They have the same coefficient. Here, the coefficient of x here is what? Plus 1. The coefficient of x, y here is what? Minus 1. They have the same what? Again, coefficient, except for the sign. So you can decide to use either x or y here. It's very straightforward. It's very straightforward. But because it's very straightforward, I'm going to do it in two ways. In the two ways, and you will enjoy it. Let me divide the point into 2. So here, assuming I want to eliminate s. To eliminate x, we have plus x plus x. What did I need to do? Did I need to add x together again? No, I'll just minus. X minus x will just be equal to 0. So to eliminate x, I'll just say 1 minus 2. Some people will do a line here. Then you put minus here. X minus x, you will get what? 0. Plus y minus times minus. Minus times minus will give you what? Plus. That is, y plus y will give you what? 2y plus 2y. Is it clear? Learn how to use this very well. Minus times what? Minus. It's like saying plus y minus into bracket minus y. Minus times minus plus y, and this is going to give you plus 2y. It's as straightforward as that. So you remove this 0. Plus 2y is equals to 2 minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. So you have 2y equals to, what is the coefficient of y here? 2. You divide both sides by what? 2. That is 2y over 2, 2 over 2. Your y is equals to what? 1. As straightforward as that. Is it clear? So when your y is equals to 1, you can decide to put it in 1 or 2, anyone you like, because you don't have equation 3 here. So if you put it in 1, x plus y is equals to 3. So your x here is x plus, what is your y? 1 equals to 3. S equals to 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. As straightforward as that. It's one of the most simplest elimination. You are 2. So here, assuming we are not minusing, you want to add. You know, this is 4. This is 1 now. We are 2 with 1. Just like if you have the same coefficient, it depends on you. If you decide to add it together, why do you want to add? You know, you have your minus plus y minus y. Plus y minus y is what? Is 0 already. So you don't need to touch it. They are telling you like we have already cancelled ourselves. So what are you supposed to do now? Just add. If you add, x plus x will give you what? So here now, we are saying 1 plus 2. X plus x will give you what? 2x. Plus y minus y, cancel, 0, is equals to 3 plus 1, 4. Divide both sides by what now? Divide both sides by 2. Because of the coefficient of x is 2. S is equals to what? 2. The same thing as what you get here. So you can use the same method to get here. So for example, if you want to put it here, no, we can just stop here for equation, for elimination method, example 1. So example 2, is it clear? Is it clear? Elimination method is just to eliminate one to get the other. Let's go to the one that the coefficient is more easier to solve. Don't let me use the word complex. For example, you have x plus y is equals to, let's say, 2. Then you have your 2x plus 3y is equals to 5. Fine. How do we solve this? Elimination method. Remember, we said the coefficient must be the same. What is the coefficient of s here? 1. What is the coefficient of s here? 2. What is the coefficient of y here? 1. What is the coefficient of y here? They are not the same thing. So how do we do it? We have to make it the same thing. Then you have to multiply it with a factor. Is it clear? For example, assuming we want to eliminate s, we will find what we will multiply with this one to make it the same thing. So what are you going to multiply with the coefficient of s here to give you 2? What? 2. 1 times 2, because the coefficient is 1, 2 here, so you multiply. Is it clear? Do you understand? It's not clear. Fine. We want to make this one 2. How do we make this one 2? We want to make them equal. You have to multiply everything here by 2. Is it clear? So after this, we will do one elimination method to make it clear again. Don't worry. So here, you just multiply everything by 2. You leave this one by 1. Is it clear? So when you multiply equation 1 by 2, 2 times x, we get what? 2x plus 2 times y, 2y, 2 times 2, 4. You can decide to make this one equation 3 so that it will not confuse you. Is it clear? Now, automatically, x and x, they have the same coefficient. We can remove them. So just draw your line here. You put minus here. You are not going to plus it together here. You are going to minus because they have the same sign. Is it clear? 2s minus 2s, they are gone. 3x minus 3y minus 2y is what? 3y minus 2y is what? Y. Y is equals to 5 minus 4 is what? 1. Is it clear? 5 minus 4 is equals to what? So you have y is equals to 1. Is it clear? So you substitute this in equation 1. What is our equation 1? X plus y is equals to 2. So here, x plus 1 equals to 2. S is equals to 2 minus 1, 1. Chicken now. You can see that it's very straightforward, Abib.
Yes, teacher.
Abiba, is it clear? To our viewers at home, I hope you are enjoying it. Now to the last question. To solve everything we need to know about elimination method. If you have something like 2x plus y is equals to, or let's put 3y here. 2x plus 3y is equals to 5. Then you have 3x plus 2y is equals to 5 also. Yes, I think this question is interesting. The coefficient of s here is 2. S here is 3. 3, 2. They are not the same thing. X's, they are not the same thing. So for you to make it the same thing, you have to decide in your mind which one are you going to do. Which one are you eliminating? X or y? Which one should we eliminate? We should eliminate x. It's all agreed that we should eliminate x. So to eliminate x, how do we find the same value for them? How do we make the two the same? Is it possible for you to multiply? What will you multiply with 2 that will give you 3? 1 point something. And we need a whole number. So the simplest method is you use the method of LCM. You multiply this one with what? 3. You multiply this one with what? 2. So that they are going to be the same number. Here, you multiply this with 3. You multiply this one with 2. Is it clear? 3 times 2, 6x plus 3 times 3, 9. Y is equal to 3 times 5, 15. Remember, you are going to multiply it all through. Here, 2 times 6, 2 times 3, 6x. 2 times 2y, 4y is equals to 2 times 5, 10. You can name this one equation 4, equation 3, and equation 4. So you are working with these two equations now. You see now, they are the same thing now. So what you do here is what? What are you supposed to do? Minus. 6x, we cancel 6x. 9y minus 4y, we give you what? 5y. 15 minus 10, we give you what? 5. So divide both sides by what? 5, the coefficient of. So 5y divided by what? 5. 5 divided by 5. So your y is equals to what? 1. You can substitute it here to get your answer in 1. So 2x plus 3y is equals to 5. What is our 2x? What is our y? 1 plus 3 times 1 is equals to 5. 2x plus 3 is equals to 5. 2s equals to 5 minus 3. 2s is equals to 2. Divide both sides by 2. S is equals to 1. So 1. If you add it here, 2 times 1, 2, 3 times 1, 3 equals to 5. Hope everything is clear. Because of time, we want to make our videos between 10 minutes. So we apologize if there's any increment in the time. So thank you for watching this episode of Simultaneous Equation Elimination Method. Kindly like our channels, subscribe and comment below. Thank you very much.